Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for engaging the previous video. As promised, this is part 2. I hope you enjoy it. Please, if you do, remember to give the video a thumbs up now or at the end of the video. Thank you so much. Enjoy. What kind of themes can someone work with? I said airport earlier, beach theme, garden theme, rustic theme, bohemian, romantic, vintage, gothic, anything. You can just come up with any theme whatsoever. If you even say you want an animal theme, yes, those ones that you have your guests, with masks, you can have that. Your guests can have animal masks on, representing what part of the kingdom they want to. I think I'm giving you guys too many free information. Let's just leave it. You understand what I'm saying? Let's leave it. Your wedding hashtag is almost as important as the theme you decided on. I see a lot of Abigail words, Femi words. We know the hashtag is used to find those posts. When you have a wedding and you want people to easily find it, or you want your guests to also easily gain access to pictures from your event, you need your wedding hashtag, right? Now, when do you decide to bring out your wedding hashtag? Most times people post it on their invites, or if they don't have their hashtags ready when their invites are going out, they also post it on the social media platforms that they are posting their pre-wedding pictures. Some people do not have pre-wedding pictures, but when they are posting out their save the dates, their hashtag is on it. Now, hashtags, some people just use hashtags just to put on the dance floor, and no, that's not the only use of hashtags. Hashtags can be used to find the pictures or vendors that the couple used for their event, to find pictures that were posted from the event, to find, just basically to even follow through. Because sometimes, before you get access to the pictures from the photographer, from the videographer, it takes months, whatever, before all the pictures are ready, before you see all the guests that attended your event. So in order to enjoy your wedding, just like like there are some games that I also come up with. You can decide to get your guests to take pictures, and tag it on social media, and then the person with the best photograph or whatever wins something at your event. You can have anything to encourage guests to post. But I've seen cases where a lot of their guests did not end up having any pictures, professional pictures, because the photographer messed up. It dey happen, and Naija we dey. They know they carry people go prison these days. So, or you're not your case. You get. So in that kind of situation, your guests having pictures and posting it using your hashtag, would be very useful to you, because even though you don't have professional pictures, people are using iPhone 14 these days. People are using amazing phones that can capture almost the same thing that professional cameras can capture these days. So if that's your situation, then you'd be lucky you'd get access to it just because you have a hashtag. Because how many people would you remember to text and say, oh, BC, you came for my wedding, right? Please send me how many? Let's be realistic, right? How to have a catchy wedding hashtag. We've had enough of Abigail words for me. We know you guys are married. We know. Why can't you come up with something creative, something sweet, something that even goes with your theme? Now, I'm adding this video because when we're talking about themed event and you want a hashtag, it has to match, it has to merge. You don't want to have a theme, a romantic theme, and your hashtag is Abigail Words for me. But if you say something, Femi got his girl, Abigail, girl. Femi loves his girl, Femi's girl. I mean, this is just off the top of my head. There are different ways to form, and why I'm using it like that, why I'm breaking it down like that, is because some people want their names, like for them it's very important. They must know it's me that's marrying Femi. If you're in that category, then you're the people that need all those Abigail words, this or whatever. You just need something that sounds more catchy and more attractive. Now you can start by brainstorming on phrases or words related to your names. So I told you the hashtag for that event, the themed event, was becoming me. Bismarck as in B, miracle as in me. So B is coming to me. Very simple, yet very romantic. Aww. It's also a play on words, if you may say so. And there was a time I was thinking of a hashtag, someone named Godfrey and someone named Abigail, actually. And the hashtag was Abby found her G. Abby got her G. That is an amazing hashtag for a romantic event because she has found her partner. Continue. If you're doing a travel thing, journey to something. Okay, so there was one that was journey to ABJ. The ABJ was an acronym for their names. Aww. Come up with, those, it even builds anticipation leading to the event. To be honest, it builds. When I see Abigail West Femi, are you playing? Are we playing here? Take us seriously, We do keep quiet. 20 people beat me after this video, but I have to tell people the truth. You get, you like traveling, so your thing is already an airport or whatever thing, then your hashtag can have journey to whatever, journey to AF, journey so far. You. Journey small SO, far as in FA. F for Femi, A for Abigail. You see how they work? I they work for sweet me for body. Journey so far. Finish. See hashtag. So if you are F and A and you are married, collect it. But I'll collect royalty.
God have mercy upon us.
Okay, then you can combine different elements, to be honest. Be creative, be playful, ensure the hashtag is easy to read and remember and spell. It's straight to the point, is focused on what you are trying to communicate. I've seen some really creative hashtags out there. If you don't have an idea, just go to some event planner pages. You'd see really, really interesting hashtags. Make sure that you do your research before you come up with a wedding hashtag. Make sure you don't miss on our posts on things like this, wedding tips, wedding planning tips. I hope I've been able to convince you not to confuse you on your themes, what to think about when choosing themes. I hope it's clear. I hope you understand it. If you don't, please, in the comment section, tell me. I will explain again. No mind me, they talk too much, so sometimes they too go, but just tell me, I will explain anything that has to do with themes. If you want me to talk about something else, you can also write it down there. I'll do a video on it. I have spoken about how it's expensive. I have spoken about how you should budget for it and be ready for it. I've actually seen some decoration. If you have a 500 guest event and it's basic decor, it might even be more expensive than a 100 guest event that's themed. Yes, I said it. So don't run away from it because you think it's going to be cutthroat. If your theme is a tropical theme, people use a lot of flowers and colors every day, so you might be lucky. The difference may not be so much. You get? So before you run away, just try. Okay. Now, thank you for coming to my TED Talk. I hope I've been able to convince and not to confuse you on how to plan a themed event. For more of these videos, make your comments, ask questions. I'm ready to answer you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos with all your friends and family. I really appreciate it, and I love you guys so much. I know, yes, I'm just showing my face for the first time. Thank God for my outing. But yeah, please don't forget to come back. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to show love. I love you guys so much. If you enjoyed this video, kindly click on the thumbs up. Bye.